see a super quick walkthrough of running MicroBlocks on the Circuit Playground Express. For any board, the first thing you probably want to check is setting the user LED. Does it light up? Yes. Try turning it on and off. Next thing to notice is different boards have different capabilities. This one has a button A, and when it's not pressed, it's false. If I press it, it turns to true. You can put these types of variables in a loop, and then it's easy to check the status of how the variable changes. So let's put button A into my forever loop. Now it's forever telling me whether it's pressed or not. You can do the same thing with variables like light. So some of the basic sensors that this Circuit Playground has is the light level. So we're going to graph it because that's another one of the super cool capabilities of MicroBlocks. Let's put that graph together, turn on the light, set the light level into that block. And now if I put my hand over it and cover it, you can see the light level going down. Super quick response to your data. Very cool. And then we'll just look at a couple more things. In the input, you can see there's a timer. You can check out the board type. This is the Circuit Playground. You can see the number of analog and digital pins this board has, and you can individually set analog and digital pins. You have all your control blocks in here. And then you have your operator blocks doing a lot of math and logic. You can create variables and assign these values to a variable and use them in other blocks. String and list functions. Create your own blocks, which is very exciting. And then load libraries that are specific to the hardware or specific to the sensors and actuators that you attach to the hardware. And anytime you want to click on one of these blocks, it just tells you the actual value of that number. So we can see it has a built-in accelerometer. So that's pretty cool. The Circuit Playground also has a speaker and a slide switch special to it. NeoPixels are, of course, super fun. Let's set them all green. Now let's decide to change them all to another color. Let's say purplish pink. Change to that color. I can clear them. I can set them one at a time. I can set them to random colors. Do whatever you like. And then tones. You can just play notes. That was a C. There's a D. And then you can load lots of other libraries. Like I say, there's servos and sensing and motion and media and network. This one doesn't have any wireless, but there's a whole bunch of great libraries that you can find here. And then lastly, you can go check out examples that are already ready for the board, like Magic Glitter, or one of my favorites. People always have birthdays going on, so let's play Happy Birthday. And notice that when you have a program and a sketch loaded, you can build it and check it as you go. When you're all set to go, just click the Start button. So this one, it flashes the LEDs and it plays the tune as soon as I press the button. Lots of fun!